Well, guys, here we go. The fun begins. Six 3.5 liter Nissan timing chain. I'm gonna try my best to do a how-to on this 06 Ultima, even though there's billions of videos out there. But day in the life of me and taking on some of the worst jobs I could take on. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll keep making videos of this. So have fun. Hey Austin, I just want you to see something about your car so you can understand the size of this engine, right? This is just one half of your engine. 3 cylinders. Remember, you have a 6-cylinder. Your other head is way back there. So your engine is like, hold on. I guess the best way to say it is, it's from this headlight right here to like right here. A big freaking engine. And the part that cracked is way down there. So I have to take this whole cover back off to get way back there to fix your fucking shit. But what happened was, there's these stupid clamps that are metal right here, and then you squeeze them, and then you can pull the hose off. Well, when I tightened the clamp back down, it cracked. So, weak plastic. Well, guys, I feel bad for anybody who has to do a Nissan Ultima timing chain with a V6, because you gotta take the whole cowl off. You gotta take your wipers off. Gotta take the hood off. There's all the miscellaneous parts that have to come out to do this timing chain. The intake's got to come off. The valve cover's got to come off. All the shit down here got to come off. The motor mount's got to come off. Airbox got to come out. Like, I feel bad for anybody that really has to do this. I'm putting a lot of my bolts back in place, so this doesn't look like a lot of bolts came out of here, but so far, probably taken out about 40 bolts, 50 bolts. We're still nowhere near this part. Yep. The life of fixing the hard stuff. I like a challenge. Yay! I can touch the rear valve cover. Yay! 4 hours to get to this part. Yay! Hey Austin, here's something I want to just point out. I just noticed. You see how your battery's bubbled out? Look at that. It's a swollen battery. Look on this side. You see how it's like bulging? This battery is getting hot and it's swelling. So I can warn you, if your car fails to start one day or something, you're going to need a new battery soon. So we're not doing it now, but just mental note for you, bro. New battery. All right, so here's the infamous timing chain failure. That piston should be there, but it's there. The guide has broken. Why am I not surprised? Here you guys have it. Reason why we're taking this thing apart.